She. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making a DIY coffee bar. I'm currently inside of my Airbnb and my guests just checked out. They really enjoyed themselves. And this is the third person that left a message saying that, God, I wish you had a coffee. So today we're gonna go ahead and solve all that dilemma. Guys, this coffee bar, I put myself on a budget. I told myself I could only spend $50. So I had to do a little bit of thrifting, a little bit of Dollar Treeing, and then also I went to TJ Maxx. So my first stop this morning was at a local thrift store. I really like shopping there because all of the proceeds, or a percentage of the proceeds, they donate back to the children's hospital. And so I like to really shop at places where I feel like I'm supporting some type of mission. So that's why I love shopping at this thrift store. So guys, you can't have a coffee bar without a coffee maker. This brand is by Mr. Coffee. It was $4.98. I have no freaking clue if it works. So what I'm gonna do is clean it up really nicely and then go ahead and try to make a pot of coffee with it. I like this one because out of all of them, it was the cleanest one, and it looks like a little more modern than some of the other ones that I saw. The second item, guys, was this shelf. It was $5, and I just instantly thought it would be super cute to house like the coffee bar. Ideally, what I would want to do is do like a huge like armoire and having lights installed in it, and the driftwood, you know, wallpaper, just make it look super farmhouse. But that was not within my $50 budget at this time, so I got this for $5, and I like that basically it has 3 different places where I can store items. So yeah, guys, that brought my total at the thrift store to around, well, let's see, they both were $4.98 each, and then there was 25% off. Okay, so we'll do the math later. My second stop of the day, I actually went into Dollar Tree. Guys, Dollar Tree has an amazing coffee selection. Now, I don't really know like what any of this coffee tastes like. Me personally, I like Starbucks, but I didn't want to spend more than $50 because I'm not even sure if this coffee bar is really going to lead to better reviews, more bookings. I'm not sure. It's just an experiment. So what I wanted to do was kind of just like keep my coffee expenses as cheaply as possible right now. If you haven't checked out my Airbnb tour, guys, make sure you watch that video because my entire Airbnb, I have like the buffalo plaid theme going on in here. So I thought these buffalo plaid coffee mugs were just like the perfect little accent for the coffee bar. So I have one that says blessed, one that says count your blessings. This one says blessed. So at Dollar Tree, they have this paper now, and it is removable wallpaper. So, you know, whenever you have farmhouse, there's always like some wooden, like barnwood accents. So inside of that shelf that I showed you guys, I'm going to be taking these sheets of paper and kind of giving it a little accent, because right now it's like a little plain. So I got 4 sheets of these coffee filters. They have bags of coffee, and I said that these can do up to 40 cups. So we got about 80 cups of coffee right here. And I think this is like a breakfast blend, and this one's French vanilla. They smell really good. I also got a box of tea just in case, you know, a person isn't a coffee drinker, but maybe they want tea. And I got these cute little trays, guys. I thought they were so sweet. And so I was thinking about like the tea bags. I can stack them inside of these. And then the other one, I'm actually going to put these coffee flavorings. So guys, Dollar Tree has like salted caramel syrup. And then they also have vanilla. So they fit perfectly inside of this tray. So I thought that was super cute. And I made a stop at Home Goods, which I did not want to go to Home Goods. I really wanted to shop from thrift store to thrift store, but for time's sake today, I decided just to go to Home Goods, and I got some cute art and some other little things to complete the coffee bar. So anyway, let's get into this DIY. Alright guys, so here is our coffee bar. I'm sorry in advance for that lighting, it's horrible. At the top, I have this thrifted rooster from Goodwill, $3.25. This is from IKEA. You guys saw that if you watched my Airbnb tour. This is actually from Home Goods. So I think the paper on the inside made it look super, super cute. Really, really adore that. The command hooks were perfect for hanging our Dollar Tree cups. The buffalo plaid goes really well with our farmhouse themed Airbnb, if you guys didn't see the video before. So yeah, I love the cups, $1 each. Then up here, I got this cute little stand from TJ Maxx today, $12.99. So cute. I love the scalloped edge. And we have our coffee in our little Dollar Tree jars, our breakfast blend, our French vanilla, our tea. Down here, guys, we got some extra filters. These are from Dollar Tree. This is coffee that another guest left. Eventually, I like to have cute containers for all that stuff, but I only had a budget of $50 today, so unfortunately, that stuff is just gonna have to look like it looks until I have more money in my budget to get cute containers for them. And I'll probably just get some from Dollar Tree or something. And then here we got our sugars. Another guest had left behind some Swiss Miss, so I put a couple of packs in there. We got coffee flavor, these little tins from the Dollar Tree. And then I also put paper on that side too, because why not? Now this coffee pot, guys, actually works. It was $4.98, and I'm happy to say that our coffee bar is complete. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you hadn't had a chance to check out our Airbnb tour, definitely check it out. I'm getting ready to update the listing with the photos of our brand new coffee bar. So I'm so excited. Like, this was the third guest that had requested coffee. So I figured it was about time that we reinvest back into the business and get them some coffee. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.